just need someone to explain something to me. I live in Alabama, and my utility bill usually averages between $200 to $250 a month. Can someone please explain to me how my utility bill went from $250 a month to $696 this month? Could someone just please explain that to me? I know it was cold last month, but $696? Explain!
From taking SNAP benefits, the food stamps, Medicaid, and EBT cards for low-income earners in USA, Trump has it again. Electricity bills in Alabama have doubled the amount from the original agreed price. Why? That's why we are here to understand. First-time viewers and subscribers, those who are not robots or aliens, kindly feel free to hit the subscribe icon below and follow my page. You can as well share this video to fellow Alabama friends and fellow colleagues in America so that they can know how FAFO is hitting people in Alabama. Also, don't forget to like this video up. On today's episode, we will clearly get to understand why we are all here. With this first lady, she is complaining her electricity bills has doubled from the original agreed amount. Why? It is because FAFO is hitting them hard and it is not sparing them at all. Black Americans warned you, you didn't listen. Now it is here with you. Your bills have risen up because you ignored what Black Americans told you. Let's watch the following videos and we'll come back at the end and discuss why is it happening to people in Alabama. Let's watch, family.
We love a great FAFO moment, and I have another one for you. First, some background. 65% of the state of Alabama voted for Donald Trump. Alabama is in the top 10 poorest states in the United States related to federal poverty level. While many of these voters sit behind their computers and celebrate Elon Musk cutting waste, little did they know it was going to impact them. This week, over 250 residents in Huntsville, Alabama received a notice from their electric company that they were going to have to pay an additional $100 surcharge. The explanation for this was that Donald Trump's recent executive order ended a $1 million grant to the utilities company to help these customers pay for their electric bill. Leaders in Alabama are furious because they said this is counterintuitive to Donald Trump's promise to lower energy costs.
So Alabama can't afford to pay their electricity bills, so they've been having a grant that subsidizes everyone's electric, pretty much in Alabama. And with one of Trump's executive orders, he killed that grant, so all the residents of Alabama just got a letter from their utilities saying that all of their bills, everyone's, just went up $100 a month because Trump cut that fucking grant, and that's what it's going to cost for them to be able to pay for their electricity.
Okay, y'all, I never thought I'd say this, but here in Huntsville, Alabama, we are certainly regretting our votes for Trump now. Look, y'all, we just got this letter from the electric company that says because of a Trump executive order rolling back Biden-era legislation that our electric bill is going to go up $100 a month because of what Trump did. Now, this man ran on bringing prices down for us, bringing grocery prices down, bringing energy costs down, housing, insurance, and none of that has happened at all. This is literally crazy. I mean, it's almost like the Democrats were telling the truth the whole time and the Republicans have just been lying non-stop. I know that's completely crazy to even say because Republicans have always been a beacon of truth. But yeah, this letter has me so pissed off that I'm never gonna vote Republican again.
It looks like FAFO season is here with MAGA farmers and MAGA voters. Alabama, the latest state to complain about Trump. We all know Alabama, 65% of Alabama voted for Donald J. Trump. Why is Trump not listening into their interest? Now, FAFO is here with them. They are complaining. What should your fellow Americans who voted against Trump do for you or help you? You clearly ignored the warnings you were given. Look at the deportations Trump is doing. it is against the MAGA voters. Now your electricity bills have risen up. Now you are all complaining and calling black Americans to come and help you. Why? MAGA voters, the next election is coming up in 2028. Will you still vote for Donald J. Trump? Biden lowered the price of electricity bills. It is Trump who took away the grants so that he can benefit himself. He is making the economy of USA more expensive. Why? Because he is there to enrich himself. He is not there to take care of your welfare. You should know this war is not coming to an end. You have one more year to the general elections. You should bear up. You should embrace the FAFO moment, which is hitting you hard. When black Americans warn you about something, clearly listen to them. A question I have for you, MAGA people. Have you ever heard black Americans complaining about Trump's policies or agendas? Let me know your response on the comment section below about this episode. Are you a resident in Alabama? What's the state over there? Are people complaining about the electricity bills? Are people embracing it? Or are people moving out of Alabama? Surely, God bless you. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next episode, where we'll continue to highlight to you how Trump is undermining people in America. God bless the black American family, the white people. You should always look into the black family because they will lead you in the right direction. Goodbye.